Today at our school we are doing a rocket launch, and we have started with our middle school students. They all built rockets and put their batteries or their motors in, and so we're launching those today.
This year I decided to try some engineering out with our middle school students and our 5th grade students. They were asking for it last year. So what I did was I got on to NASA.org, and on there I designed a rocket. We call it the Robbins rocket. Students went home, they get a monthly science experiment that they have to perform at the house. These were actual rockets that the students made themselves from scratch. All right, Corey, you're first, sir.
Couple of weeks of building rockets, trial and error, making sure the wings are appropriate and making sure the motor is the right size for the rocket.
The first thing I'm fighting is safety. I need to keep you guys safe. The fire department was here today because I wanted to make sure the community knew that Robbins is always safe no matter what we're doing outside. This is why I became a teacher. Honestly, the students, with the look in their faces, the smile on their faces, that's what teaching's all about to me. Is that aha moment, and then watching their papers and all their work and classes and everything come to life. Today was awesome. The kids all day long, ever since first period this morning, that's all they've been talking about. So I think they had a great time.
We're happy to be able to carry out the tradition of launching rockets and exposing students to those STEM type of activities and opportunities of learning.